Hi, David from Brandkit here. I'm going to talk to you about albums in Brandkit. The albums is a new feature that enables you to create dynamic tag-based collections, aka albums. Uh, we're here in the Scenic Hotels group, Brandkit, and we're in the admin interface. And you can see here that we have a couple of albums already set up. We want to create a new album for the legacy collection of properties for the Scenic Hotel Group. And so to do that, we need to create a new album. And the album requires a title, an album cover, a tag or tags to search for, and there's a couple of other options there. But to create an album, we do need the album cover before we can proceed. So here's a quick hack on how you can set that up. You could, of course, use Photoshop or take a photograph and upload that. But, we already have a whole lot of images in the system, presumably for the property, so legacy collection. So what we want to do is just go through and find an image that we might want to use as an album cover. So let's just choose this one. And we can download the web version of this image, even though it's uploaded as a high res. The web version at 1280 pixels on its longest side is perfectly suited to be an album cover. And so I've downloaded that to my Mac, and so now I can go back to my album create process and use that image as the album cover. Let's just go create, and we're going to call this the legacy collection. And we're going to choose the image that we downloaded, which is this one. And then we're going to choose the correct tag, for this album. So it's going to look for assets that have this tag and feature those in the album. We're going to leave the search strategy to the default, and we're going to show in the portal. And if we create the album, it's going to go off and create this album. It's going to find all the assets with that tag, and there you go, there's our album. If we look at all albums, we can see our album cover, the correct size from that downloaded web size, ready to go. That's it. So the next step would then be to configure the account so that these albums appear in the landing pages of the brand portal. But as far as the system is concerned, these are now set up and ready to go.